You are now watching Doorbell News.
Franklin Park, Illinois. Looks like somebody ran into a dumpster. Chicago, Illinois. This neighbor's been causing problems at this person's house. Stone Mountain, Georgia. Check these guys out. Looks like they drove off with one of their own guys. Chicago, Illinois. That's some good driving. Meanwhile, Denver, Colorado. Let's just hope that's an intervention happening or something. Oak Lawn, Illinois. Looks like he's running from the popo. North Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like she's doing a little Christmas shopping. So this guy decides to do a good deed and return somebody's lost wallet.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
But since they don't answer the door, he decides to take it upon himself to take a reward. Meanwhile, in Chicago. North Las Vegas, Nevada. Check this guy out. Your mama don't live here. Las Vegas, Nevada. Another Christmas shopper. Youngstown, Ohio.
Bruh, KK, I swear to God.
Yeah, he's definitely at the wrong house. Miramar, Florida. We got a doorknob wiggler here. Meanwhile, in North Las Vegas, this guy's still outside someone's house. Let's see what happens.
Hey, is there something that I can help you with?
Oh no, sir.
Get lost! Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Yeah, luckily the dog scared him away. Meanwhile, in Hanover Park.
Hey, you got the wrong fucking house.
What you mean?
Well, just call the cops. Deal. Call the cops. I got a screenshot.
Who's in this house? What you mean?
Call the cops right now. You still out there?
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Hey, big dog, you need to get the fuck out of my yard, homie.
Get lost! Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.